After strip cleaning, floors in need of renovation can be skillfully matched to the surroundings again with PU color. For this purpose, the colored lacquer is mixed with the cross-linker. The lacquer mixture is filtered through a sieve and then poured into the fresh bucket provided. This avoids the risk of foreign objects in the lacquer and guarantees the perfect blending in of the colored pigments. The colored lacquer is then applied onto the strip-cleaned floor section by section. This guarantees an even, homogeneous surface. For many colors, PU color already covers the floor well after the first application and can be coated with the transparent system after drying. If you wish to apply further colored coats, using the drying fan TG1 shortens the drying times enormously. The second coat is again applied by working section by section. Colored chips can then be strewn into the wet lacquer. You can choose from 16 standard colors, but several hundred special colors are also possible. The chips are strewn either by hand or with a mechanical device like the Chipper DS100. In order to give the colored lacquer long-term protection, the entire area is finally sealed with a transparent PU sealer or PU Anticolor. Depending on the situation and requirements of the building, by using one of our PU Antislip additives, the slip resistance standards from R9 to R11 can be met. Combine the PU sealer with the cross-linker and shake carefully. Apply the lacquer evenly with the lacquer roller Aquatop, first crossways and then lengthways. Before applying the second coat, the drying fan TG1 helps to shorten the drying time.